Some more practice problems. These are more centered around Regents questions. So we'll take a look at these here. So 72 students, they're divided into groups. First group meets with a tutor. Second group gets an online subscription, give the same test during the year, and you've got their means and their standard deviations. So it says calculate the mean difference in the final group, final grades. So that's just 80.16 minus 83.8. 80.16 minus 83.8. So negative 3.64 is the difference. And it says explain its meaning in the context of the problem. So students with the online tutoring scored 3.64 points higher than those with the in-person tutor. Okay, so we've got that. Then it says they did this simulation and the students' grades were randomized 500 times. The results are shown below. Is there a significant difference? All right, so we got to go in here. All right, and we look at this. We have negative 3.64. All right, so 3.64. So that's 3.5. So 3.64. You don't exactly know where that is, so we're going to have to go with right there, which means there's only going to be 5 of them. All right. So it's a little hard with this type of a graph because it doesn't break it down by that much. So there's a little bit of wiggle room in here in terms of where you would actually pick that out. So 5 divided by 500 is 1%. 1%. This difference is significant because it's 5% or less. All right. And then what does that mean? That means that we have found evidence that the online tutoring is better. It doesn't ask this, but we have evidence that the online tutoring caused the difference in the means, all right, or the scores to be higher. All right, and that's really what we're ultimately looking at here. All right, when we get a difference in the means from these groups, we're able to be like, okay, this difference occurred. And then we try to figure out, did the actual difference, is it meaningful? All right, or does that difference kind of happen no matter what we do in terms of randomizing these things? And that's what this simulation does. All right, it just keeps randomizing them and finding the averages. And then we compare our average difference to the average difference there and see if it was a significant difference or not.